Protecting expensive valves is essential to any installation or repair. Layco's Cool Gel helps prevent accidents from costing you valuable time and money. Apply Cool Gel to any valves or piping that you are working with, and you'll see its benefits. It keeps vital components from absorbing heat, causing costly damage. As you are soldering or brazing, the gel begins to evaporate as the flame is applied. You can clean Cool Gel from the surfaces without leaving any residue. Layco's Cool Gel gives you peace of mind and confidence in performing your job. For more information about Cool Gel, visit our website at layco.com.